What you got, Jackie?
I think I have a catfish.
You do.
Okay.
Is it a 20-pounder?
I don't know, but he's rolling a lot.
Here you go.
Oh my god. I'm not in a good position.
Just keep on fighting them. You're all good. You're all good.
What do you...
Oh, just bring him here. We got the net, so just keep on cranking them in.
Hello, big guy. Not big. Oh,
Here.
my first catfish of the year. Woo! He's my PB. There you go.
Yep. Let me go grab the pliers.
My catch of the year.
Now, how's that any different? Oh, it's not too bad.
He looks clean.
You got a picture on it? There you go. Sure.
Look at that. Oh, buddy.
It's alright. It's alright.
He says, oh, I don't like it. You got this.
What?
On a crappie or bluegill head.
Yep. There you go.
Thanks. All right. Look at that.
Here.
Got my first one of the
Hold
year.
him up sideways.
Oh, he's gonna be slimy.
Just grab the back end. He's not that slimy. Plus, I got a towel. Here. Don't be such a wuss. There you go. Here. Got something to say?
I know.
Yeah, okay.
I'll let you go.
Alright.
Thank you for playing.
Alright. Hold on. Hey, you gotta let me get you here. There you
Whenever you're
go.
ready.
There you go.
Ready?
Hey, bye-bye.
Or did you want to do it over
No, that's okay. That's fine. Just don't lose my gripper.
Woo!
There you go. There you go.
Oh, you can take her off. Look at the fish showing off, man.
The clicker was off. That's exactly where I wanted it, though. The clicker was off and it still did that. Crap. Here we go. Fresh crappie. Ooh. Big old trout. All right. Yep. You're looking kind of sickly, man. Like you need to be bait. Fishy on. Feels like a crappie. Don't need a crappie. We don't need no crappie. No, we don't. See you later. There. We don't have is bluegill. We need some of that for bait. Bluegill for bait. Alright. Go. Another. Oh, it's a nice crappie. That's a nice crappie. Don't need any more crappie. See you later, buddy. Here we go. Fish on, fish on. What do we got? Crappie. Another crappie. Little dinkster. Alright, buddy. See you later. Here we go, fish on. I bet it's a crappie. Yep. Not a bad one either, man. A little 8-incher. Say City Park crappie. There you go. See you later, buddy. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, man. There you go. He woke up from his concussion. Here we go. Nice crappie. Oh. Yeah, just drop them every time. All right. All right. Let's go. See you later. Crappie head. It's actually recording. Alrighty. Look at this, man. Little guy. Did you guys give up for the night? There we go. Fishy on. Still catching them dinks. All right, getting a little bit of a bite, tug, kind of wondering what it is. Is it a crawdad? Is it a catfish? Is it a turtle? We shall soon see. Got plenty of bait. Just got a big hit. Probably a 5-7 pounder hit. Or a 4 or 5 pound turtle hit. All right, we'll turn the camera back on if we get hit again.